Okay, so we're going to see the A2 759 square feet floor plan, and I just wanted you to see the hallway just a bit. So it's very, very grand. Look at this real ornate just entrance. It's so decked out. It looks awesome. This is fly. Love it. Okay, so let's walk in. Wow, feels great in here. Very, very light, bright. It's tall. 11, 12 feet? 12? Okay. Feels really great in here. Super cute kitchen. And a huge sink here. This is awesome. Look, there's plenty of bar stools. You could do even 4 there pretty easily. And hey, look at this space. It's just awesome. I like the finish here. Love the kind of whitish, I don't know, kind of white with some grayish, blondish flecks in there, I guess. I don't know. Fridge is awesome. The appliances look great. Look at these really deep drawers here. This is great. Look at this. This is awesome. Got plenty of storage in here too. Plenty of storage. And look at this cute little backsplash. It's so cute. I love the little unique little shapes in there. It's not boring. It's very, very cool. So this is upscale. I like over here too, not just the bar stools, but there's plenty of space to charcuterie or to cut, to do whatever you need to do for cooking, for preparation. So this is really, really pretty. And you can see there's some storage over there. You can have, put art objects or just different objects. And then there's the door we came in. The floor is really nice too. It's a hardwood floor. And it goes, I like it, oh wow, it actually goes throughout, it looks like. So it goes definitely into the bathroom. Is that a washer and dryer? This is a washer and dryer, and they're nice too. Okay.
Standard across the board.
Nice. Okay, and then it looks like a closed closet.
Yes.
Okay, it's awesome.
Pantry here.
Oh, nice. Okay, I was so hoping that was here. That's awesome. Okay, pantry in here. This is great. And then, hey, you've got a lot of space to work with in here. So this is, as you can see, it's a sectional. So you've got a lot of space to work with. This is awesome. It's a big wall. You can do quite a bit with that. And then this is the look of it. And then, there's space over here too. So this is really, really great. And then what is this? Some extra storage? Oh, no. That's the unit over there that they need for heating and cooling and stuff. So anyway, and then let's check out this balcony real quick. So good sized balcony. You get some great views of the pool here. This is great. And so this has a good feel in here. So this got 2 chairs out here, just so you know. Awesome. Okay, let's see the bedroom. Oh goodness, this is a huge amount of space. This wall could do king easily, and not just easily, but super easily. And look, this has 2 nightstands, little dresser nightstands, and there's still plenty of space, so you're not going to have any problem fitting your furniture in here at all. This is a lot of space to work with. You also have a good amount of light with the window in there, and then you've got a pretty good amount of space in here to look at for putting another dresser in there. You could put the TV up there too, or art like they have as well. So let's take a look at this bathroom. The bathroom's really cute. There's a huge linen closet there. That's nice. I like it a lot. This is a rather large, this is huge. This is a really, really big countertop that's over here. It's really pretty. It's granite, and I'm just noticing so many just drawers here too. And then wow, the closet is a good size. Okay, this is definitely a walk-in closet, and plenty of shelving and things to hang on. And then you've got that built-in shelf in there too. Those are really, really great. This is awesome. So, and then there's your shower over there. So it's really easy to get around. This would be a great place to just quickly know where everything is. It's just super easy to get around in this unit. This is really pretty.